So people say that nudes and neutrals look very similar in the liquor store. So what's your bathing suit say? Neutral. And we're doing a shoot today for?
Neutral.
But are we gonna use nudes? Man.
Typical blonde moment. Oops.
Should we go buy new ones?
I think so.
Okay.
Yeah. How's it going, guys? Back with Donovan, gonna film my second vlog for you guys. And we're gonna do a photo shoot today for Neutral. It's in my bathing suit underneath here. I had a total blonde moment, went to the store in a rush and picked up a case of nudes because they look identical. So back to the store we go to get the right product for the vlog and join us on the car ride. Let's do this.
All right, so we're going to buy nudes or neutrals?
I'm gonna get neutrals this time because I have a full case of nudes in the fridge now.
All right, don't go to waste. Okay, round 2 for Lil Model Paige, going to a liquor store.
I'm gonna get it right this time.
Do I need to come in with you and make sure you get the right ones?
Might be a good idea.
Okay, so we're gonna coach you through this.
Okay, tell me you guys wouldn't get it confused.
Are neutral. These ones, neutral. Those ones, whoa, nudes. That is very confusing.
Neutral.
White can,
Nude.
NU.
Nude, neutral. I'm gonna get the neutrals today.
Okay, very confusing indeed. Okay, step 1 to a good photo shoot is we have the right product now.
Perfect.
So now we need to get back to the house, get in the pool, and start shooting.
Let's get the swimsuit on.
It's not a hard job to do. Look at this day.
All right, guys, honest mistake, I'm back. I have the right product now, which is Neutral. And I was just told Neutral 4 is lighter, Neutral 7 is 7% alcohol. Who knew? I didn't know that. Anyways, you can see how I mixed it up. These come in these color cans as well. And I've got the right bikini on for the shoot.
As long as that matches that, we're good.
Yeah. Let's do this. So you're probably wondering why I'm doing a shoot with all the neutral things, and it was because a few weeks back we took some photos on the boat. I ended up holding one of the cans because I was drinking it because they're tasty, and we posted the pictures. Neutral saw the pictures and offered to send me a bunch of stuff. So I got the swimsuit, the floaty, this hat, a matching hat, and then 2 little bucket hats that are super cute too. So if you're wondering, that's why.
Turn when I roll up, spin around like a donut. Got a feeling that I can't lose. Show it off like it's new shoes. I got something you can't explain. La 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 la. In a metaphysical kind of way. La 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 la. There's something magic inside my veins. La 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 la. No matter what, I'ma do my thing. I'ma do my thing. Can you feel it?
All right, guys, today we are all finished doing the photo shoot. We did some pool ones, some in the kitchen, we did some outside. I'm really excited to post them on Instagram for you guys to see. You're gonna see some of it in the vlog that's gonna come up soon. And tomorrow I have another friend joining me and we're gonna go around the Okanagan in the Aventador. And I'm gonna show you some of my favorite things to do here because it's a beautiful place. We'll see you tomorrow. What's up, guys? Day 2 filming the vlog for YouTube. I am gonna take you around the Okanagan, show you some of my favorite places to go, some of my favorite things to do. I have my girlfriend with me, Sloan Summers. Hi. She's gonna be joining us today and it's gonna be a good day. Can't wait for you guys. Yeah.
Pretty thing that I see. Hello? Yeah, that's right, that's me, that's me. I'm not trying to sound bougie, but I'm
the one they trying to beat. Wanna get on my team, that's right, that's me, that's me.
Got my swag on max, throwing hot sauce on the tracks. Got my swag on max, throwing hot sauce on the tracks.
I'm just doing me.
Most important thing, first off, we need to get some coffee. I'm tired. Sloan worked until 3 in the morning and she was kind enough to come and meet me early this morning. Coffee, the car needs gas, so those are our first 2 stops.
Yeah.
Lindsay plays it safe. 5 feet from the pump.
Rye Phipps would be impressed. Takes diesel, right, Rye?
So did Lil Model Paige leak that Rye Phipps just bought a new vehicle today?
I just got that message as I was pulling out of the driveway.
But we don't know what it is.
I know what it is. You guys don't know what it is. You're gonna have to wait to find out.
Another...
Delivery next week. It's quick, he likes to do things fast, so he doesn't change his mind.
Okay, so ready for that coffee now. My goodness.
Yeah, car's filled up, now it's our turn to fill up. Funny story about this coffee. I'm gonna get a nitro cold brew from Starbucks. My friend, you know who you are, bought one for me last week and I was at work. And he's like, don't drink it all, it's really strong. And I was like, I have a long work day, I drink coffee all the time. What's the worst that can happen? So I drank it all, and about 20 minutes later, I was vibrating. I actually couldn't, I thought I was gonna have a heart attack. I couldn't focus, I couldn't do my job. Almost had to call it quits for the day. So I learned my lesson. I'm not gonna drink a grande nitro cold brew. I'm gonna drink a tall nitro cold brew. Ashley's never had one before, so we're gonna get her one, a tall as well, and we'll see what happens.
No grandes, only talls for these ladies. Hey.
Drinking with the Pope. I'm out in Paris getting French toast. Tokyo sake sipping in the robe. Yo, Japan, don't my we got the toe.
I had one instruction today for Rye Phipps. Don't curb the rims. Hi, can I get 2 nitro cold brews?
I'm sorry, you need to turn your car off. It's too loud.
Had to turn the car off, it's too loud.
For sure, so 2 tall nitro cold brews.
Yeah,
Anything else for you?
that's everything.
Thank you.
Well, that's handy, right? Yeah, easy. I like that.
Then we need a card.
Thank you.
There we go.
Close. Yeah, I got that. Yeah, I got that. Yeah, I got that. I got that thing.
Avec sucre, j'en ai trop envie, trop envie.
I got that.
Hey guys, so we're just cruising. We just hit Winfield, so pulling up to 50th pretty quick here. We're just on the highway, and we're pretty lucky that we didn't get pulled over because we're going quite fast.
There's a few cops out there today.
Just a few. Just reminded me of last night when I got off at 3 a.m. I was cruising down the road, and I had just picked up my car from the shop earlier that day, and just as I'm cruising home, a cop pulls out like right in front of me, and I looked at him, we made eye contact, and I thought that was so weird, and they almost pulled me over, honestly. Like, I saw them like thinking about it. He pulls over, stops, but luckily he didn't. Just so then as I'm cruising home, I realized that my lights are not on at all.
And it's a black Cadillac, blacked out, so it would have been very hard to see.
Very sketchy. So thank God I did not get a ticket. The car gods were out there for me.
we are in Winfield. It is beautiful. We've got Okanagan Lake in front of us. We are surrounded by orchards, vineyards, lots of wineries here, lots of really good food, which is my favorite, really good pizza also. Heading to 50th Parallel. I love this place. I frequent here often, me and Rye. It was actually the first place Ryan took me on our first date. So you guys can check that out. The Wagyu burger is so good from there, but the wine's even better. So welcome, check it out. All right, I finished my nitro cold brew. I drank the whole thing, but it was only a tall one. I'm feeling excited. I don't know if it's the coffee or if it's because we're so close to the wine, but we're almost there, and I'm gonna pee my pants. So don't want to do that in the car.
No wet spots, please.
Alright guys, we made it to 50th Parallel Winery. They have a wicked restaurant called Block 1, which is right over there. It's outdoor eating. So good.
So beautiful. This is my first time being here and I'm just amazed. Can't believe this is the Okanagan.
I can't believe you took so long to make it here.
I know, what the heck?
So pretty. We've got all the vineyard here, which is some of the grapes they're growing that they make their wine with. And did you know, they called it Block 1 because blocks are in vineyards. So one block is where certain types of grapes come from. Ryan can explain this a lot better than me, but that's the gist of it. So Block 1, that's why it's named that. We're gonna go do some wine tasting. Not too much, because I gotta drive. She can drink it.
I can drink it all though. All the wine.
Hold me only. We might have nothing, but you feel like home. We might have nothing, but we're not alone in winter.
Alright guys, that's a wrap for today. I just want to thank Sloan Summers for joining me.
Thank you for inviting me. It's been a blast. Yes, can't wait till next time.
We're gonna do it again. We're gonna show you some more of the Okanagan. Some people have to go to work. They work day jobs, and I am one of them. So I'm off to work for the day, and yeah, that's it.
Till next time.
And also, don't forget, tap that subscribe button.